Or you can call me Abbas or Kamsi. My student ID is 301208739, and this course that I'm on is COM 299, which is Web Application Development. And yes, this is how I look like currently. So let's get to know me better. Sorry. Yes. So I'm from Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian, and like everyone would say about their country, my country is blessed. So yeah, I'm a recent graduate of Mechatronics and Robotics Engineering, where I schooled in the University of Leeds, which is in the UK. So you can imagine the journey between Nigeria and UK. It was quite a journey actually, but it was worth it actually. So how do I consider myself, or how do I see myself? I see myself as an individual who chases after excellence. Sorry, ignore this spelling here. But yeah, I love excellence. I might not be there yet, but I try to put in my best in whatever I do. And I try to be a better version of myself, constantly self improving and self developing. And that is why I enrolled in this program. The program I'm currently on is Software Engineering Technology Fast Track. So I enrolled in this program to build my skill in software programming to mastery. So I want to, to a large extent, know that I can actually, program and I'm very good at it. I want to reach that level where I'm very, very, very confident in that. And then I enrolled in this program as well to grow my leadership skill, to be a more inclusive leader, and to know what lead and how to lead people truly, how to be a true leader. And also, enrolling in this program, I have met a lot of amazing teachers and students, and I would love to build connections with them and expand my connection because I know there's a lot to learn from them. So, what projects have I worked on? I've worked one project that really interests me that I've done recently is the robotic management system. This system was built because we identified several issues that were in the healthcare sector, and some of the issues were the high workload that healthcare workers were facing, and also it got worse during the pandemic because a lot of healthcare workers, they themselves became patients, and there were less hands, like less staffs, less people to take care of the patients, and it the healthcare sector wasn't really fulfilling its duty basically. So what did we do? We decided to build or design, sorry, a system, a software system which interacts with its external component, which is a robot, to perform several tasks. So this system um, could be assigned task by the doctor or by the nurse. Task like generating records, patient records, so that this patient record could be passed from one hospital or one ward to another or from one doctor to another. And this system can also, interact with the robot to carry out tasks like giving the patient an injection, giving the patient like doses of medication, changing the patient's clothes. And in a high level situation, we are looking at this system um, being able to carry out surgeries. Yeah. This system is actually very advantageous because, it would really save um, the lives of healthcare workers in the case of a situation where people could be easily infected. So it would help to reduce the contacts that the healthcare worker has with the patient. And it would also reduce the workload that are on the healthcare workers, lessen the burden on them and make work more interesting and better for them. So In this project, we carried out several software analysis and designs. We implemented the system requirement specifications and system design architecture. Um, and what I did in this project, my part was to carry out and gather the functional and non-functional requirements of the system. I also gathered and designed, the use cases, the user story. I designed the use case diagrams, just interacting, with the clients, getting information from users, from friends, from the public of what they want such a system to do, and trying to reflect it in our works. Yeah, that was one of the parts. That was the major thing that I did for the system requirements. For the system design, I designed the CRC, final cut designs, and built the or designed the model view controller. You know, to see how the the system interacts with its subsystems and with external components or external with its users, basically how it's viewed by people who will be using the system, basically. So we also did design patterns and stuff. But yeah, moving forward, by the way, I should say that project was a very big success. And if I could complete that project, if I could build it, I believe it's going to be an amazing project. But moving forward, my interest, yeah, as I said, it fluctuates, it changes. I get interested in things and then it changes with time. So currently I'm into music. I like singing, I like listening to good music, and of course I like programming. That's why I'm here. I like visual creations, like art, good designs, things about movie, I don't know, just good designs is something that I'm fascinated about. I'm not there. I'm not I want to build my skill there, but it's not something I'm good at right now. I like seeing people, having those good quality designs and arts and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm also into gospel. I feel it's very cool. I like interacting with people. Funny enough, I see myself under I sometimes I think I'm an introvert, but maybe I'm not. I like interacting with people. I like communicating people, hearing their opinions, their viewpoints, understanding their perspectives, etc. So, what are my expectations about the future? In the next 5 years or in future, I just see myself being better, soaring to heights that I never imagined. I do have some goals, but they are not I wouldn't say that is where I'm limiting myself to. So I like to think big and give room for more, So I see myself gaining expertise and being well versed in the digital world of IT. I feel like IT is really, growing fast, and I'm looking forward to combining the skills that I gained in my mechatronics and robotics um, training, or should I say education, combining that skill with, the software programming skill as well, and building solutions that could impact the world, impact nations, etc. I see myself being an employer of labor, and I also see myself giving back to the world and the public what I've gained so far. And this does not just, limit to the IT sector, but in every area of my life, I feel like sometimes people just need an encouragement. People just need people to believe in them. And so I would, find it a privilege to impact people, to motivate people, to be them. be better versions of themselves as well. So, yeah, that's all about me. Thank you.